Hey, do you play Pokemon Go every day? Well, today I'm going to show you guys how to get the fully working Pokemon Go Spoofer in 2024, guys. It's super cool and it fully works. Let's hop right into an exciting opportunity to get a Pokemon Go Spoofer. So as you can see, I have the joystick, I have the bar on the right side of the screen, which will show me all the nearby Pokemon. And I'm going to show you guys exactly to download this. So as you can see, guys, I turned on the joystick. I can actually walk around the Pokemon world from my house right now. And there's speed hack and aimbot and all these cool settings. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download this. So let's get right into the video. So first things first, guys, we need to visit the website where we can download the spoofer. So that's ZooMods, okay? So this is the site where we're going to download it. So let me just type it in right here. So once you're on this site, guys, just go to the search bar, type in Pokemon Go. You can see it says Pokemon Go mods. Just press on that, wait for it to download. If you got a decent internet, it shouldn't take that long, but be sure to go and try this out for yourself because it's super cool. And they don't really make Pokemon Go spoofers, honestly. So be sure to try us out. Some more people are like knowing about it and stuff like that. So as you can see, guys, if we go to the App Store and type in Pokemon Go Spoofer, you can see nothing comes up, just the normal game. So if you want to get the spoofer, you have to go to ZooMod. So be sure to go ahead and try this out for yourself and get the word out because it's super cool, guys, and it actually works. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys later. But yeah, it's super awesome and it's updated and everything like that. So if you need to get a Pokemon Go spoofer, try us out. It's super cool. It actually works as well. So if this video works, you guys definitely go ahead and share. I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. Get the word out about the method. I'll see you guys in another video, and peace out.